to the Overwatch development area at Blizzard HQ. Now, people who know me know I'm one of the best Overwatch players, definitely that I know. I think I'm like top 500 or something like that. So I'm really excited to try and have a look around and try and see what kind of new things I can just see hanging on the wall. And
Hey Mark, how you doing?
Hey Jeff, yeah, doing well, mate. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Cool.
You know, we overheard you say that you were one of the top 500 players. So, you know, I'm here with Chaco, and we did a little bit of research, and we're able to look up everybody's skill rating and where they're placed. And actually, your skill rating is 500, which is kind of different from being top 500.
Yeah, it's 500 though. Still, I'm
different.
I'm very proud. So what I'm looking for at the moment is any news about Overwatch and what we're going to be able to see at Gamescom. So what are you going to be there?
I'm going to miss Gamescom this year, so I'm super bummed about that. But going from the Overwatch team is going to be Chaco Sunny, who's our production director. So you should catch up with Chaco. Cool. I've got a meeting to get to, but good luck, guys.
Well, cheers. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks, Jeff.
So Chaco, what's going on?
Yeah, there's so much happening at Gamescom this year. We're really proud to be showcasing a brand new map called Junkertown.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, definitely come by the Overwatch booth to check it out. If you get there, you'll have a chance to be one of the first people, outside of Blizzard, of course, to play this map. Now, Junkertown is a brand new escort map set in the outback of Australia, which, of course, is home to our two favorite Junkers, Junkrat and Roadhog. And in order to tell you a little bit more about the background of the world of Junkertown, the teams here at Blizzard have created a brand new video that will be premiering today. Take a look.
How do you do? What was it you think got us the boot? Stealing the Queen's cash? Blowing up her summer sack? The beatdown at the bar? Whatever it was, you really ticked off the big boss this time. I don't think they're gonna let us back in. No! Well, there's two things that solve every problem. Money and explosives. I've got an idea! Gotta get money, gotta get bombs, gotta get home to I can't wait to see the look on the Queen's face when she sees exactly who double-crossed her. So we're gonna go over the plan one more time, so you don't screw it all up. All right, first, we light the fuse. Then we put on our inconspicuous disguises and sneak into town. After that, we get our glorious blinged out boom trolley right up to the boss's place, reveal our ingenious deception, and boom! They'll never see it coming. We need an escape plan. Take two. Light the fuse, inconspicuous, sneaking through town, front door, reveal our deception, then run like hell and boom! It's foolproof. Right! The gold! No point in blowing it up, so... Fuse, inconspicuous, trolley, front door, reveal, grab the gold! And... boom? Whatever you do, don't blow it. Inconspicuous.
Who is it?
Junkrat and Roadhog!
Oi, hit the road, mate!
Idiot.
It's Junkertown! Da 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 da.
Oh, wow, that was amazing.
Cool,
I
man.
love
Glad
it.
you liked it.
So you guys, are you showing off anything else at Gamescom?
Yeah, there's one more thing I wanted to mention. we're really happy to be able to present a brand new Overwatch animated short at Gamescom this year. So make sure you're at the Blizzard stage in Hall 7 on Wednesday night at 6 p.m. local time. And if you can't make it there, make sure you check it out on the Blizzard Overwatch official Gamescom live stream.
Cool. I'm just wondering, obviously Jeff was looking up an account.
Yeah.
It probably wasn't mine. Should we just double check it though? Can we just? Yeah, I think it's important. I think it's very important.
Sure.
So.